Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share CapCut project so others can edit. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, we actually have two options or methods. So the first method right here is just by using spaces. Okay. If you have a team, so go ahead and go to the left panel, click on spaces right here, and just basically invite a member. Okay. Now go ahead and enter the email address and then set this one to collaborator or admin. So enter the email or copy the link right here and send it to your partner. And after that, you should be good to go. But do take note that only one person can edit at a time to prevent conflicts. Okay. Now you got to utilize this one if you have a pro version of CapCut. Okay. So just click on send invitation. And after that, your team member will be able to see all of your projects right here or files under your specific space. Okay, let's say you have it right here. When you go out and click on the three dots, you'll be able to see recently modified by this guy. All right. So another option is by using a manual folder export, okay, for external editors. Now, if you want to send the entire project folder with all sources to someone else's computer, go ahead and follow these steps. Go ahead and open up the specific project. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on create new, import something right here, maybe just a simple picture, okay, like that. And then once that's done, go ahead and click on a blank space right here on your timeline. Just click on it, and at the top, you have the path, okay? It is saved under this specific folder. So what you'll do basically is just go ahead over to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Again, %local app data %. Click on this file folder. Now, what you'll do in here is just find CapCut, double click. Now go ahead and click on user data or double click on it. Down here, go ahead and find projects, double click. And here we have it. You'll just have to, manually find this specific folder. So again, let's go ahead and find CapCut. Here we have it, com.iv editor draft 0519. So we're going to find it right here under com.editor.draft, double click. 0519 with 1 right here. So this one. So all you got to do is just right click on it. Now click on compress to a zip file. Okay. And make sure, by the way, that CapCut is not running in the background. Just close it right here. So you will be able to zip it. So let's just go ahead and do that again. Right here, zip file. Okay. Rename it if you want to, shared project. That's it. Now, all you got to do is just send it to a Google Drive or whatever website you wanted to use. Okay. Now, say, for example, you already sent it to your collaborator. Okay. So your collaborator already downloaded the zip file. So what they're going to do is right click on it and extract it or unzip it. Extract right here. Okay. So here we have the shared project folder. Double click. Just copy the project folder. Right click and copy. And then what they're going to do is go ahead over to the same exact location where you get it. Okay. Local app data %. Click on it. Now they're going to go to CapCut as well. User data, projects, IV editor draft, and paste it right here. All right. And do make sure that both of you are running the same exact version of CapCut to prevent compatibility issues. And that is it. That's how simple it is to share CapCut projects so others can edit. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.